Hi, how are you? Max is my name and welcome to my channel. Okay, today in this short video I'm going to be showing you a website and an app both on Android and on Apple, yeah, or Mac, that will pay you between $48 to $99 for doing day-to-day tasks. Okay, you don't need any special skills. You only need to have normal life solving skills. Okay, the the tasks that are in this app are the normal day-to-day, skills: mounting your TV, buying groceries, helping someone move, that kind of that kind of tasks. Okay, now they will pay you per hour, so for whatever time you work for, they will pay you at the top of the hour. So let's go straight to the website. Now the website is called taskrabbit.com. Okay, taskrabbit.com. Just so now you can sign up here just to become a tasker. Okay, you just sign up here and then you can join the service. Okay, now I would think this is more sort of okay, it's in I don't think it's everywhere in the world. It's specialized to different countries. Definitely US is one of them. There's no way around that. Yeah, so now what you do is, these are some of the tasks that you'll be required to do. Look at this: mounting and installing, okay, moving and packaging, packing, okay, furniture assembling, home improvement, general handyman, heavy lifting. Okay, see a task here. Okay, assemble a table or desk. Average price is $47 to $119. Not bad money for an hour's it's a job, So mounting a TV, move boxes via truck, clean bathroom or kitchen. Okay, you can see here another task right there. Okay, lift and shift heavy items, put together furniture, mount a TV or mirror. So how does it work? Okay, the person will describe their task. Okay, you tell us what you need to be done and when and where it works for you. Okay, you choose the tasker depending on the skills that the person put and the price and the jobs they have done, and then they go and do it. The tasker arrives and gets the work done, pay securely, leave a review, and all through TaskRabbit. Okay, home installation. Now, guys, it's that simple. You just sign up and go ahead and start doing those tasks. Okay, you can see one here, a review right here. He shifted and I think he had a very good experience with them and put out a very nice review. Now, you can of course download the app from the site here, or you can go to App Store or Google Store and then install the app, and then you can activate it and of course do the task. It has a 4.2 review on the App Store right there. Okay, okay, there is one I think here where the bad experience. Okay, another big business thinking above. Okay, and then you can see, let's see Google, what does Google have to offer? Okay, yes, Google, yes, you can also download it from Google, and it has I think 3.8. Yeah, it has a 3.8 rating, which is good. I bought Kia Corner sofa bed, knowing I would have some time to assemble it. I'm not sure what I got myself into, but went for it. Price made the sense. Got the app off and he had someone help them assemble a bed. So guys, you just go to, of course, the task. You go to one of these platforms, download the app, and then register and of course you're vetted, and then you start vetting. Now this is this kind of way of making money is active money. Okay, you trading time for dollars. Okay, you're actively working on something. Now if you want to make money online, okay, if you want to set yourself up so that you can be able to earn money online, whether you're asleep, whether you're at the beach, whether you're traveling, go to the first link below and click on it. Okay, it will take you to my best resource that will teach you how to earn money online, wherever you be. Okay, and guys, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, give me the like button, and try this out. Okay, it could be another way of how you can make money in this second quarter. Okay, now before I leave, I want to hand over to you a free online business that you can start right now. Okay, just click the link above, okay, in the card or below, and you'll be able to watch that video that will take you through what are the essentials of a business that makes money online. Okay, just click on the link below or above. Okay, go to that, watch that video, and then you can opt in to set up your business up and running in no time. Okay guys, see you in the next video.